Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The key to cooking any tough cut is slow simmering over low heat. Lamb shoulder could take upward of 2 hours to reach the tender zone. Don't be alarmed if the meat seems quite tough after it's cooked for a while, Sunshine 842 says. The muscle fibers seize up, then relax into a state of tenderness after more cooking. 23 March 2013.
Make your mark, take our lead.
It depends on the cut. If you cook a lamb shank low and slow, it will become more tender as long as you don't let it dry out. A lamb chop, on the other hand, will reach optimum tenderness at medium rare. After that it will become tougher as it cooks.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Like beefsteak, most people prefer lamb at more medium rare temperatures, 130 to 135 degrees. But, if pink meat isn't your style, you can continue to cook it to a medium temperature. Like other ground meats, a well-done temperature of 160 to 165 degrees is the safest way to go. 3 April 2017.
Take our lead.
Do you wrap the roast in foil? You want to cover the lamb leg during most of the cooking in order to preserve the tender juicy meat. Only leave the meat uncovered for the last 40 minutes of cooking time. This will crisp the edges, but not dry out the interior meat. 18 December 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.